This video is going to cover an overview of the repository. The repository is a globally available set of folders, files, analyses, and other entities accessed by all users in an organization. It allows for global sharing and collaboration of all entities within the application. It does version and security control throughout your process, ensuring that only those who should have access to view and edit do. Most important, it tracks the who, what, when, where, and why for easy 21 CFR Part 11 compliance through your workflow. The repository consists of repository folders that can contain files, analyses, and other entities. Of course, files themselves, which could be, say, R report files, model files, data sets, image files, and work window, which allows for you to view and edit various files, such as this control stream here. I'm going to take you through a few of the operations of the application. First, everything is very similar to Windows-based. So you'll see here, if I right-click, there's a number of various options that I have in the application, such as creating a new folder, adding a new analysis tree, adding files. I can export the folder, rename, copy, move, delete. Very similar to the Windows environment. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and add a new folder. Let's say that I want to add files to this given folder. I'm going to go through and I can select one-to-many files to add. The first thing to note is it does ask for comments. This is part of that who, what, when, where, and more importantly, why these individual files are coming into the Improve application. You'll see for this folder I've created, there's a number of files that have now been created, and you'll see that I have the capability to right-click on those files and see a number of different options for the file itself. You'll see I can export it, rename it, copy, move. Again, very similar functionality as Windows. I also have the capability to go through and check out. Checking out is reserving it for editing, and when I do that, it'll actually open up either inside of Improve or in the Windows environment for documents like Word, PowerPoint, and other very specific applications. And then I can check it back in and it'll be version controlled in the application. Let's take an example of that. Let's say that I want to modify this S+ script. I can check it out. You'll see it here. I can come through and make any modifications that I so desire. Once I'm happy with it, I can save it, and most importantly, check it back into the repository. You'll see here that this version has now gone to version 2, which indicates that a new version of the contents of the file has been added to the repository. I can also do that for files that are unable to be opened up inside of the Improve application. Let's say Word documents, PowerPoint documents, etc. In that case, Improve will actually utilize whatever Windows installed application is available for that file, save it. Again, same exact situation where the capability to enter in comments for that version control, and you'll see here version 2 has been created. Any files that exist within a given folder, you can see by selecting on the given repository folder, and you can see any of those files, whether they be S+ scripts, model files, individual charts and graphs, or say in this case an R script. You can also open any of the files that exist within, let's say opening up this particular graph here that exists within the repository. We've gone through the capability to visualize the globally available repository, add in files, edit files to new versions, and visualize and check in any existing files that are in the repository. The next video is going to go into the workbench, where we'll actually visualize and work with analyses for non-mem R, S+, SAS, and other tools that are available to the application.